No way, absolutely not. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adriana, where I do lifestyle DIYs and reviews, and today I'm going to be doing a review, an unboxing, and a first impressions. So yeah, you know, recently we all got our stimmies, right? Or maybe some of you didn't, you know, if you're making that money. So I got my stimulus check, and Facebook just knows how to trigger you, and it knows your weaknesses. And I'm usually not a generally weak person, but I don't know, I was just like, I need some new wigs, and I saw this ad on my Facebook. That's how that should have been the first red flag. That should have been the first red flag. But it was like 3 wigs for $50, and the wigs looked amazing. And sometimes you're just not thinking, you're not in your right mind, and I absolutely was not in my right mind. I was like, absolutely, 3 wigs. It's gotta be legit. Hoping it's legit. I just purchased 3 wigs that I was hoping for. And by the way, the company is called KoalaLaceWigs. So the pictures looked amazing. I purchased, and literally right after, I had a moment of like, I don't know, I feel like I had an out of body experience. I was like, wait, why did I just do that? So yeah, all the wigs were priced at like, let me just go on the website right now so we can kind of, okay. So I bought 3 wigs. It was buy 2, get 1 free, or get 3 for the price of 2, whatever. Yeah, the offer is still up. I'm really hopeful. I'm really hopeful. The package just came in today. I got my hair done yesterday, so I'm not even gonna try them out. I wasn't gonna try them out anyway. Like, I kind of like to wash my wigs before I get them from anywhere. The website is called KoalaLaceWigs.com. So let me just, for example, go to one, just run random wig. All of the wigs, for example, as you can see, gorgeous wigs, but their prices are slashed down from like $120 down to $20, and I don't know, save $99, save $117, like what is that? Anyway, the package came in today. Tell me how 3 wigs fits in this. I literally looked at the package, I was like, wait, what is that? This can't be the wigs. Let's just get into this unboxing, see what's good. Got my girl, what's her name? I don't know, y'all can name her in the comments below. So before we get into this video, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you think that these wigs are going to be legit or not. And then towards the end of the video, I don't know, just let me know what you think. I'm nervous. Where's my scissors? Okay. We're gonna cut open into this package. I just looked at the lace for one of them. The lace. Okay. I could like already see that this is not what I asked for. Luckily I ordered through PayPal, so they're gonna run me my money back. And supposedly the website says no questions asked, returns. I have a feeling I'm gonna reach out to them and they're going to ghost me. Y'all, I was so hopeful for this. Thank God I got my hair done, cause all right, so this is the first wig. Let's see which one it is. This is Halloween hair. What? But this is absolutely not a lace wig, okay? This is a Halloween wig though, for sure. What the hell is that? Look at the lace. This is unethical. How are they gonna, okay, so which wig is this supposed to be? No way, absolutely not. I'm gonna put a picture right here, but this is supposed to be, oh, this is supposed to be this wig. I looked at the serial number. Do you see 22 inches? Maybe 2 inches, perhaps. Girls be like, what lace? Ma'am, that lace right there. This is disrespectful. It's huge at the front. Oh, they are. thieves. And you know what? I bet this is one of those things that even if I do return it, they wouldn't give me my money back. I mean, PayPal's giving me my money back. That's all I know. All right, let's just get into the second one. Oh, wow. This is gonna be a quick video. Oh, okay. Okay, wait. This is not what I ordered, but this one has, it's more who's, oh my God. The curls are awful. That is scary. What was the name of that book? Wait, which wig is this even supposed to be? The serial number does not match any of the ones on my order. I'm just gonna toss that right there. She doesn't even deserve respect, honestly. Okay, I didn't even order this wig. So they just gave me whatever. This reminds me of, I'm not even joking. Look. Oh my God. It's just shedding and shedding. She was a teacher and her students didn't respect her, so she came back as a scary, mean teacher, and then like she disguised herself, and then when she came back as herself, her students respected her. What was the name of that book? I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna put a picture. Miss Nelson is missing. That was the name of the book. Okay. Miss Viola Swamp. This is giving me Miss Viola Swamp. This wig is awful. Once again, I'm gonna show you the lace. What lace? This lace. And they put, I don't know whose scalp they put on here. Let me investigate further. The inches are there. Okay, the inches are there, but I didn't order this. First of all, it's massive. The wig itself is massive. I've got such a tiny little head, I don't know. Give it up for Miss Viola Swamp, please. It stinks also. This goes without saying, do not order from this website. I learned from my mistakes. PayPal, please run me my money immediately because I'm hurt. And the last one. This serial number is also not on my order, so I don't know what wig this is supposed to be. I think they just gave me one. Oh, you know, wait a minute. Okay, so the first one that I showed I think was supposed to be this natural full lace wig. It's really disrespectful because that first one, the one that was like 3 inches long, was supposed to be a full lace wig. It was supposed to be a kinky texture to match my natural hair if I blew it out. Look at this. Ew, this looks like a dead animal. First of all, what color is this? They just said whatever. They just said we're gonna send whatever. I'm not in shock. This looks awful. This looks like something I cleaned my bathtub with. I just swept. I just swept my room. I just swept. I just swept. I just vacuumed. I can make another wig with all the... I'm so grateful that I got my hair done yesterday. Whose big head is fitting this? I mean, I'm sure somebody's big head fits this, but this is a massive wig. I mean, what did I expect, honestly? Literally, as soon as I clicked order, that's when I knew I messed up, but it was too late. Girls, if you haven't heard of the company, don't... I had a moment of weakness. Somebody else's brain was in my head that moment, and I was so excited. Everybody in the comments was like, I just bought 3, I just bought 3. And I was like, perfect, I'm gonna buy 3. Like, I just got my stimmy, I was feeling myself. What lace? That lace right there, ma'am. This lace right here. We see it. So that is it for this video. Do not order from this website, y'all. I mean, I suffered so that you don't have to. That was a disgrace, that was a shame. That was disrespectful, that was upsetting. I hope nobody else falls victim to this crime against humanity. Now I have these 3 mops in my room. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was a nice little laugh for you. It was funny for a second, but like, I'm sad. I'm gonna go treat myself to a good hearty meal that I probably should not be eating, but they shouldn't have lied to me like that. They shouldn't have lied to me like that. I'm so pissed off. That's the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. I hope you give this video a like. Comment your thoughts below. Were you right? Did you guess that there were going to be crappy wigs? Did you think that there were going to be good wigs? And of course, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Don't do this, y'all.